Hello guys, I'm gonna show you how to replace the cabin filter of this Kia Carnival. This is a 2012 model. So I've shown this before in a separate video, but let me just do it again. So you do this, yeah, push the one a little bit, and yeah, and then pull it out. Sorry for that. And then you do the same on this end here. Just push this one a little bit. Yeah, and there, and go. Yeah. So you need to. So that's what it looked like. To put back, push it until it's you hear the snap. Yeah. So just let it fall. This one. It's actually a like a pneumatic piston there that slows down the going down. Yep, and here's where the cabin filter is located. You simply pull it out, and there it is. I've actually reused this a couple times by washing it. And the other thing I would like to show you guys is how you can save from spending about 500 to maybe 800 pesos. So that's around, how much is it? Yeah, 10 to maybe 15 US dollars. And you can buy a unbranded replacement cabin filter out of eBay, or here in the Philippines I bought this from Shopee, which actually came from China. This one costs around 2 US dollars each. It's not actually a perfect fit. The width is just about the same, but the length is a bit short, as you can see there. I was trying to find one that would fit perfectly, but unfortunately it can't. So what I'll do is I'll have these two and cut another one so that the length is just about right, that one there. So I'll still try to figure out how to do it. This one here actually is reversible, so you can put it either way. Yeah. So there's a filter on the outside, and there's another like a carbon filter inside with a carbon. Yeah. So they're the same on both sides. This is pretty cheap, so $2 each. So I'll be spending, yeah, a little over maybe $3 at the most on one, compared to, yeah, $10 or $15 for a replacement filter. So I placed one already, so I need to fill the void there, which is about 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, maybe 4. Alright. Since I need to do an overlap, so you need to make this shorter so that it fits perfectly there on the bottom. And I cut off a few here so that it fits there in the frame. So let me just finish that. So this is now the finished product, and that's where the joint is. Over there, here, there, and here. You could almost get there a little bit. That's okay. And then there's a sign that says they're up, and you just need to slide it in right there. Yep, and there you go. Okay, so I have one brand new cabin filter put in. Thank you, and hope this has been helpful. But yeah, I need to show you how I did it. This is the app I used. Shopee, probably find it in Lazada as well, or maybe in Alibaba or AliExpress, but it's the one I used. And this is what I purchased right there. So it's the one. It says there, cabin air filter, and it's 109 pesos each, so that's about $2. And just going there into the item that I purchased there. What you need to know is the dimension of the product itself. I mean the cabin filter that you have. So this one indicates the dimension. It's there, 17.5 the height, and then you have the length and the width. Either of those is the correct one. So in my case, I get shorter, so that's why I needed to add and cut portion and add into there. But if you do get a similar size to what you have in your car, so all you have to do is just to cut the filter. And this one is pretty good. Yeah, it does actually indicate the sizes there, so that's good for me. And of course, you can also find other products similar to that. If you buy in the original, it's quite expensive, but in here, for one product, I can already buy about 4 or 5 of them. And I mean 4 because I need to cut the other one to compensate for the short. What I need to do now is to put this back. To do it, make sure that this one is aligned to the cylinder there. Yep. For that, you need to hold a little bit and yeah, put it here. It's a bit challenging because I only have one hand. I mean, one hand free to do this. Anyway, put it on that one side only, so you can see it better. Like this one. Yeah, there. And yeah, this should do the trick.